Hello guys, and welcome back to Programming N. Today, I will be teaching you how to make a simple drawing game in Scratch. Draw. There. First thing we're going to do is delete the sprite, open this up, and get the new pen extension. We are going to make it so that when you click it, you can draw stuff. And we're going to have little colored icons for different colors. So let's paint a sprite. And we want this sprite to be as small as possible so no one can see it. So white, outline none, circle, then we want that to lock on. We need it to click. If it does not, then it will not work properly. This is where your mouse is going to be, or the center of the screen. So for first thing we're going to do, this is our complicated sprite. Everything else is simple because you're just copying and pasting. When green flag clicked, set pen color to black. Then we want it to erase all. Then forever, go to mouse pointer, and if mouse down, then we want the pen to be down. Else, pen up. If key space pressed, I want it to erase all. So let's look at that. I'm drawing and I'm drawing. Then I can move here. I can draw some more. Mm, oh wait, I didn't make that subscribe button big enough. Space. Oh, and also, you see that big red button under your screen? I'd be very thankful if you could just click it, okay? Just take a second, pause my video, like and subscribe, click the notifications button. I'd be very thankful. Alright, now back to the video. Here we can move that to the corner, and now we're making a new sprite. A little red circle with outline. So we make that, and we're going to put that there. When this sprite clicked, then broadcast red. So when I receive red, set pen color to red. So let's see that. I'm drawing in black, now I'm drawing in red. Nice. So next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna make another color. We're going to duplicate that, move that right there, but we're gonna change this color to orange. And then we're gonna have it broadcast orange. And we're gonna make it when it receives orange. Set pen color to orange. So let's look at that. Let me align that. Let's look at it. I'm drawing nice big button that I would be very happy if you guys would click. And then orange to programming, and I'm too lazy to do the rest. And erased. So for a quick second off camera, I am going to do the rest of the colors. So I'll see you in a minute. So now that we're back, I added a lot more colors. So yeah, all the colors that I had time for, and then space cleaned out. So that's that. As always, I share my project on my Scratch account, NinjaMan 2012. If you would like to change your thumbnail to something different, I use something called Scratch add-ons. Just Google that, and I could set the thumbnail to, like, I could write draw my name of my thing, and I could just click use stage, and that is my thumbnail. So you go to my profile and you would see draw. I want, and click. Alright. So as always, thank you for watching my videos. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.